I have been busy doing knotted silk necklaces, as you can see. A lot of these I made for Christmas. Some of them are for me. I mean, how pretty is that? Look at the citrine pendant. Ooh. Okay, this first one here, sterling clasp, of course, I made for one of the grandmas. And check out the detachable little charm. She really liked it. I think it turned out so pretty. This charm was an old brooch that my husband helped me convert into a pendant for my mom. The beads are glass strung on a teal silk, all sterling silver. These are also for my mom. Ethiopian opals that she got at a gem show and wanted me to string them. It was a huge pain in the butt because those holes were tiny and it took me a long time to find the right size silk. This one I made for my sister on a marigold silk. Oh, it's so pretty on. Much better than on a piece of wood. The dangly charms are Swarovski crystals that I've had in my collection for a long time. On the body, this looks so pretty because the silk kind of blends in with your skin and it just sparkles like crazy. And I also had to make one for myself. Those beads are vintage, by the way. It turned out really great. I find this one really wearable, easy to throw on. I love the mermaid clasp, and that pendant was my great grandma's Art Deco from around the 1920s. The beads are a faceted rainbow glass on teal silk again. This one is so good. It's faux rainbow moonstone beads, sterling silver little heart clasp with the Swarovski heart drop, and a little one of those dog toggles that are trendy right now. I graduated the beads a little bit too. I've heard other beaders don't love these. I don't know if they break or what, but I've never had an issue. Anyway, I strung these on a metallic looking pastel purple silk. And here's another one that I never showed after I made it. It's a herringbone twist made with 15 ohm Yuki Delicas. That is a silversmith made labradorite heart. And I wore it a lot over the summer. Got a lot of compliments on it. Adjustable, of course. This one I did a while ago and didn't show either. It's knotted leather cord, and those are amethyst paired with seafoam green beads, and I also popped in some sterling silver beads in there. The whole thing is knotted right now. Finished with those ceramic skull beads that I've had for years that match perfectly. Since my sister's Christmas present turned out so well, I had to make one for myself, and I put this beautiful citrine pendant on it. These beads are new. They are an Aurora Borealis crystal, and check out those Swarovski scarabs. I don't know if you can see in there. These beads I've also had for a while, just sitting around, don't know what to do with them. The perfect cool tone pink. Same with this necklace here that I'm showing. Those are rock quartz and just glass. I wanted to try something more asymmetrical. All the hardware, all the silver is solid sterling. And I love that pendant too. All of these are from eBay, by the way. It's inlaid mother of pearl. You can find great deals on eBay still. You just have to invest a little time looking. Perfect cool tone pink. That color is so hard to find. And the pendant on that is it was a carved pink jade flower. Here I'm just showing the length. Look at the sparkle. I love this even more just on skin because that marigold blends in with your skin and it just looks like glitter. You can also get skin toned silk. I have some that I haven't used yet. I'm kind of moving on though from knotting and getting back into seed beads again. And there's my baby. She's checking it out. The silk on these is so strong it feels indestructible, so I feel comfortable wearing them with baby.